Hello guys! How does it sound like and how does it look like? I guess a little bit weird, me being in my full winter attire and saying hello. Yeah, I am home in Poland. It's winter here and I've been waiting for days to come. To be exact, around 20 days that I'm home so far, for this to appear. This is the closest to snow that it got so far. Actually, it's not a snow, it's a frost. It was snowing yesterday though, but I guess it already melted. Last night it was around -7 degrees, I guess, which is a perfect condition for snow to stay. So let's give it a few more days. Hopefully I am still here. I actually have more than 1 week left, but I might be going to the UAE area because now the situation in Europe is getting a little bit worse and I don't want to get stuck here, obviously. Don't blame me, but I just love doing this. So satisfying. Every day I go to the forest, I collect berries, wild berries. One is a wild rose and the other one is let me check how it is called because I forgot in English. It's called hawthorn or thorn apple or May tree. Wild rose has a lot of vitamin C, and hawthorn, it's used in traditional medicine mostly for heart related stuff or blood pressure. I collect only a little amount, just as much as it's enough for me, because these berries will be food for bears when the snow falls and they have nothing else to eat, because now still there is a grass uncovered so they can find food elsewhere, but when the snow falls this is gonna be the only thing. I just love collecting anything from the forest, like herbs, berries, fruit, and then making tea out of it or jams and so on, because everything here is organic, obviously. Usually during summer we have here blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and they are so much better than from the shop because they are sweet and they have really amazing taste. However, now it's winter, so I do as much as I can, which is I just collect these 2 berries. There's also another one. Usually in the raw state it's very bitter, but after minus temperature it changes the taste. So if I find it, I'm gonna show it to you also. That's what I was just talking about. In English it's called sloe, which is kind of like wild plum, I guess. I exactly knew where it grows because I remember my dad always tried to trick me when I was a kid, and he would give me this fruit, this berry, in a raw version when it's not frozen, and it was disgusting. It was so bitter. But let's see how it tastes now. It's kind of frozen actually. But it tastes like a plum, but it's not sweet. I'm sitting here now in this wooden tower. I wouldn't mention this, but probably many of you would wonder what's the purpose of it. And the purpose is for hunting wild animals like deers or wild pigs, which obviously I don't support, but this tower actually became my #1 meditation spot. I love sitting here. It's sheltering you from rain, wind, snow, anything. And it's so calm here, and literally nothing around, no house, no human being, nothing. This might be the only and last one vlog from my home. I'll stay here for a few more days, and if it doesn't snow, I don't expect to make another video, but let's see. If you want another video, then pray for snow. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it, because I know that you mostly watch my videos because you are interested in stuff from the UAE, but I'm so grateful for you being with me through this journey. Take care, stay warm, because I guess also in the Gulf countries it's quite cold. The temperature is getting below 9 degrees in the desert, which is really insane, because in UAE it's normal thing. In the mountains it's quite cold, sometimes reaching 0. Sometimes, some years even it snows. So imagine it snows in the UAE, but here, where is the snow? Anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you in another video. Let's see if it's gonna be still from Poland or already from the UAE. Take care. Ma salama.